Have you been having problems on how to create an epic text reveal effect? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do that with Sony Vegas Pro 16. If you are new in this channel, consider subscribing and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our online videos. Without wasting much of our time, let's get into our work. To do an epic text review effect with Sony Vegas, the first thing you need to do is to go to the media generator, select legacy text, pick the default one, import your text, pick your font type and your font height, insert a video track, pick a solid color under media generators, go to the event pan crop, make sure your scene cursor is checked and your cursor at the very beginning. Go to mask, pick the rectangle tool, mask out this area, bring it down so that it starts at the very top of your text. Bring it this way, like that. I think it's alright by me. Make sure you position it at the center. Now the next step is to move some few frames ahead and you drag it back. Drag it this way to cover your text from the right, and also do the same this way to cover your text. But it will give you this effect this way. So the next step, you name this one marker number 1, press the F number 1, move some few at least two frames and add marker number 2, M2, move 15 to 20 frames and add marker number 3, M3. So at this point your text is going to reveal down. So if I press on marker number 3, make this text go downward like this until it uncovers your text. So at this end is okay. Go to the event pan crop of your text, click on marker number 2, go down to see the exact position where your line touches your text. I think at this point is okay. So we will mask. I will put a starting point here. This is where my text will start going down along with the line. But before that, we need to mask out our text at this very beginning. Make sure it almost touches the top like this, and then clicking on this, put a marker to start from this area, and now click on marker number 3. That is the final stage where your text has to reach down, and then drag it as from here and make sure you highlight the entire text. That looks pretty good. Next step is to go to the line, click here, goes on the 2 to 3 frames, input a keyframe. So this text will be neutral. This line will be neutral as from this area. So from here to maybe here, my text will go up. So I will select this point. You can see that this area was where my line went down. So if I copy this keyframe like this, then I paste here, that will give me the reverse of it. In that as from this point, my line will move back upward, as you can see. I will make that one to a bit faster. You see the way it goes fast. Okay, but if that is fast, you can increase it here. You increase the neutral, then you also drag this one slightly. So I'll go back to the event pan crop of my text. So I'll put this one marker number 4, this one marker number 5, M5, and then I hit enter. Okay, so as from this area, my text is going to go back. Okay, I'll add a marker here like that. I can now copy this because my text normally starts coming down from this area, and as from here it was neutral, so this is the neutral point. So if I copy this one, it's going to do, and I paste where it starts at 0.5 here, it will give me the reverse as from this proof. See, like this. So that is it. Okay, now I will still need to add another text. Legacy text, I pick the default one, I place beneath this other layer, put the reveal. This point number 5 was where the text stops, so I have to place my text so that it also starts at marker number 5 here. So it has to start at marker number 5. So I will mute this text since it is already fine. I will mute this one. Go to event pan crop, set this one to 0, mask out that area because we want the text to move upward since the line is also moving upward. Now go to the event pan crop of text review here. So click on this. I'm searching for this point where the text starts going upward, so that I also include that. I have to set that point here, and now I will remove frame, then I click on this frame 5, select it like that. Now I frame it upward, play it to see how it goes. Okay, let me unmute this one so that you see. Alright, although that was very fast, but so as from this point the epic closes and the reveal comes in. You see what is happening there. To close up this other line, like at the beginning, it pops in like this. I will just need to copy this point, copy, and then at this very point I will just maybe add like this, then I paste that particular frame so that it closes. Even though that is okay. So let us play to see the final stage of our epic text reveal. So if that is too fast, you widen the gap separating your keyframes. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.